Hi, my name is Johan van Zyl, and today I'll be showing you two quick eye exercises that all IT workers and office workers should be doing. Now, the first exercise I call my clock exercise. Now, my clock exercise, literally, we are targeting all the upward angles, simply because most people today, when they are doing IT work or computer work, they are doing excessive looking close at one angle and at one distance. So the clock exercise, we are going to target the eye muscles that elevate your eyes and basically also diverge your eyes. You want to keep your head nice and still, and then literally you want to be looking left as much as possible. Now we want to keep your head still, take your hand, take a pen or something that you can look at, fixate at, and literally keep your head still and keep looking towards 3 o'clock direction, and make sure that you keep it there for a moment or two, and then slowly and gently come back. So that's 3 o'clock done. Now we want to also do the upward angles, the 10 o'clock, the 2 o'clock, the 12 o'clock. We want to actually achieve a balance between how much the eyes work in a downward gaze and how much the eyes work in an upward gaze, to make sure that your eye muscles are always strong in all directions. And the next one, but this one, you want to be checking that you can actually converge, especially if you are over 50 years of age. Because if you are wearing any type of multifocal, then they assume that you're looking parallel for looking far away, and the manufacturers assume that your two eyes are converging nice and at the right point when you are reading. I call it the sky nose. So you want to be looking up towards the roof again. Let's target those muscles that elevate the eyes. So look up for us. Make sure you look up sky, and then try and look at your nose. You want to see both sides of your nose. If you do not see both sides of your nose, get somebody to actually videotape you with your mobile phone.